Now for the other question, once again, u is on the left hand side, u is on the right hand side. I need to bring the u's together so that I can have just one u. I need to bring the numbers together so that I can just have one number. So what do? You can decide if you want to take 2u to 4u or bring 4u to 2u, anyone. So in that case, the first thing is I want the u's to be together. I mean the u's to be one side, right? So on the left hand side, I want to subtract by 2u, negative 2u. So if I do that, 2u minus 2u is 0, so I have 5 here. Now 4u minus 2u will give me 2u plus 13. So now I have succeeded in having just one u. So now, what next? We have gotten back to what we usually know. We subtract 13 from both sides. 5 minus 13 is what? Negative 8 equals, this is 0 to u. Now, I need u. What do? Because they are connected by multiplication, I will use division. So I will divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I have u here. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So that shows my u is negative 4. U is negative 4. Now you can plug in that into the question to be sure. Now 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 5. I get negative 3 on the left hand side. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16 plus 13 is negative 3. So negative 3 on the left hand side, negative 3 on the right hand side. That is correct. That is how to check for the solution. So I hope you understand this concept. So far, take a deep breath. You have done great so far. We had question 20. Now we move to the next concept for week 1. I'll see you.